Go play in the water. Go get the water. Go get the water. Look. No, leave your shirt on. You can leave your shirt on, baby. No, I'm not going to dress you all again. Go play real quick before we go on the bus again. That's why I didn't want you taking your shirt off. Yeah, got tattooed yourself. Cisco, not in there, out here. No swimming in there. Oh, we'll go swimming at the house then. No, we can't. It says right there, it says no swimming. No swimming. See right there, it says no swimming. We can't swim in the fountain. Okay.